This guy just got into a road rage incident. Whoa, whoa. This is this Fozzie guy. He cut off this other guy. He's driving nuts in this Rolls Royce. Holy road rage. Whoa, 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 whoa. This guy's driving nuts. That guy's driving nuts. Holy cow. Oh my gosh, this dude's driving absolute bonkers. Absolute bonkers, man. Oh, sorry for this commentary. This is just nuts. I cannot believe. Oh. Holy, hornblasters.com. Matt from Hornblasters. Just saw this road rage incident. Don't blow your temper. Blow your horn. Wow. Holy cow. Oh my God, is he gonna follow him? What's going on? I gotta follow. How do you not?